Hi, I'm Brad Lamensdorf, CEO of Active Alts, and we wanted to review sentiment, another indicator we had looked at last week, smart money, dumb money. This week, we're going to look at the investors' intelligence, bulls, bears. These are extremely important to me. They're one of the best indicators that I found, and we're going to go through the reasons why. First off, sampling is very important when you start looking at sentiment indicators. Many sentiment indicators that we've back tested and looked at, specifically the American Association of Individuals Investors, their sampling takes a group of 3,000 people, and it doesn't necessarily have to be the same 3,000 each time. I find the sampling a bit troubling due to the fact that they could be different people that were bullish last time that may be bearish, and they're completely different people. So the individual investor Chartcraft survey only looks at newsletter writers. So these aren't the newsletter writers that are at Morgan Stanley or JP Morgan. These are the newsletter writers that you pay $100 or $200 a year to get their newsletter. There's 152 of them within the universe. And every Saturday, Chartcraft reviews each newsletter to determine how many bulls and how many bears there are in percentage terms. So when we were looking at this indicator last year, the bulls had reached 60 at the end of last year, and the bears were at about 16 to 18, which is in a very alarming spread. It was over 40%. During the March crisis at the low, the bearish newsletter writers had actually moved all the way from 16 to 18 range up to 43%, which is a very high number. The bulls went from 60 and retreated all the way down to 30, giving the negative spread of 13, which suggested that there were now more bears than bulls. Unfortunately, we're back to a very, very optimistic level, much like smart money, dumb money, saying the same exact thing, but with the newsletter writers. The newsletter writers are 61% bullish now, and they're about 19% bearish, which lends to over a 40% spread. Anytime the bull-bear ratio gets to a 40% spread, that's a danger sign, and that tells you that there's too much forward expectation built into the market already, and that a correction could easily occur due to the fact there are just too many people that are anticipating a much higher market going forward. These are contrary indicators. We use them quite a bit in our money management. Coming into this period over the next few months, we have hedged. We have raised tremendous cash balances in our portfolios due to the fact that sentiment has been just too greedy in here. We continuously put many of these things on our lmtr.com free research site as well for you to go look at. It's under sentiment update on the site. And happy trading. Thank you.